I am prosperous in everything I do. I believe anyone can be wealthy, and that includes me. All my issues with wealth have disappeared. I am grateful to be wealthy. My subconscious mind radiates abundance. I enjoy the energy of money. Life hands me as much abundance as I want to accept. I always receive large amounts of money. I am earning massive amounts of wealth doing what I love to do. I am prosperous, healthy, and wealthy. Being grateful for all that I have draws even more abundance into my life. I am a success. I am richly rewarded for all the work that I do. The more abundantly I live, the more abundance I receive. I now have surplus. All my needs are being met. I recognize and embrace wealth-building opportunities. The seeds of great wealth are inside me. I am destined to find prosperity in everything I do. Prosperity now happens to me. I am proud to be wealthy. I take good care of myself financially. The more grateful I am, the more reasons I find to be grateful. I am successful because I know what I want and I ask for it. I feel great joy in providing for my family and those that I love. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. I define wealth and success my way, and I create it. I am always in the right place at the right time. I trust that I am creating abundance. I enjoy a great abundance of money. Being wealthy and staying wealthy is in my nature. Therefore, I am always wealthy. My work is emotionally, physically, and financially rewarding to me. Being grateful for all that I have draws even more abundance into my life. I am skilled at creating assets that make me wealthy. I can easily imagine myself having limitless abundance. I am worthy of abundance. Abundance is easy. I am prosperous. I will be wealthy today. I spend money wisely. Circumstances have no power over me. I create wealth no matter what. My income increases every day, whether I am working, playing, or sleeping. All I have to do is ask for abundance and allow it. I enjoy making money. Everything good is coming to me easily. I love and respect myself. All resistance to prosperity has dissolved. I am open to being wealthy. I enjoy being wealthy. The only limits to my abundance is my subconscious mind. I am gracious for the wealth I have in my life. I have plenty of time and money. I am a millionaire. I am now in the process of attracting abundance. Prosperity is flowing into my life. My prosperity is unlimited. My income is growing higher and higher now. I enjoy a steady flow of positive energy. I love spending money on my favorite causes. Money is a state of consciousness that supports me. Every day, my bank balance is growing. I allow prosperity to enter my life. I give away massive amounts of wealth, and it comes back to me. I have more money than I could ever dream of. I give myself permission to be financially aware. I have the power to attract money. I create prosperity easily and effortlessly. I release all resistance to money. Prosperity follows everything I do. Money is always circulating freely in my life. I expand my awareness of the abundance around me.